All right. So today we have a new alpha character. Remember what letter we're doing? I. This is Iggy Inchworm. Can you say that? Iggy Inchworm. And you wrinkle your nose when you say it. Iggy Inchworm. Like you're saying icky. Iggy Inchworm. All right. We have our name and date at the top. You go ahead and circle all the uppercase I's, and you say the Iggy Inchworm sound. Now stop. Sometimes on the computer, I's don't have a top or a bottom on them, but they are still uppercase I's. I'm pointing to show you right now. Do you see those? They're still I's, even though they don't look like it. Circle, pencils in the sky when you're finished doing that. Say the sound as you circle. Alex, are you circling? Look, circle. Did you all get this one? Look, that's a tricky one. All right. Line number 1, be my echo. What letter do we write for that? I. We write uppercase first. Look. Big line down, lift back to the top, and you slide right at the top, and you slide right at the bottom. Lowercase is a short stick. Look, it goes down, and then it lifts back up, and it does a little floating dot. Has to have a little floating dot up there. Number 2. Look what box number 2 says. Use the beginning sound or write the beginning sound for each picture. What is this picture right here? Igloos. Chop that first part off. Say igloo. Now let's chop it like this. What sound do you hear first? What letter do we write? Do lowercase, please. Box number 3. Aiden, what is this thing in box number 3? What is this? Bug. Aiden, chop that first part with, everybody chop that first part. Bug, ready? Bug. What sound do you hear first for bug? Like who? Who's our character? Benny Bear. B goes like this. Big line down, and then a bump. Lowercase, that's right. I see pencils in the sky. That tells me you're ready. Box number 4. Lindy, what is this right here? Actually, it's a little bit more than a book. It's got the little things like you all have in your journal. Notebook. Say notebook. Let's chop the first sound. Ready? What is that? Nina Newt helps us. What letter? What letter? Not what sound, what letter? N. Short stick, rainbow up and over. Ooh, box number 5. Do you all know what this is? It does look like a lizard. We're going to call it iguana. Can you say iguana? Iguana. Let's chop the first part. Eh. Hey, what do you hear at the beginning? And look, eh, eh. What is that? That's our new one, like Iggy inchworm, I, iguana, eh, eh. Abraham, what is number 6 picture? What is this? What is this picture, Abraham? Mailbox. Say mailbox. 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 Chop the first part. Just the first part. Which character? Who is it? Mika Moth. What letter? Who? Somebody said it. M. This is like an N, except it's got a short stick. 2 rainbows up and over. Last one. Box number 7. What is that? Apple. Say apple. Chop just the first sound. Ah. 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 What letter? A. And who's our character? Alligator. All right, pencils high in the sky when you've got it.